In this video, we'll set up your child's phone with the Safe Zones app. Start by downloading the MSZ app from the App Store. Allow notifications and agree to the Safe Zones privacy policy. Select Sign In as Child. You will then be asked to scan the QR code shown on the parent's phone, which we went through in the tutorial for setting up the parent phone. Tap Allow to enable camera access so it can scan the QR code. Using the child's phone, scan the QR code shown on the parent's phone. You may need to refresh the QR code on the parent's phone. This connects parent and child on the Safe Zone system. Enter the parent's security PIN. Tap Open Settings, and then the location permissions at the top. Under Allow Location Access, choose Always. To proceed, click on the back arrow in the upper left corner. Re-enter parent PIN. Tap Request Family Controls, select Continue, and tap Allow with iCloud Sign-In to permit access to screen time. Enter the parent Apple credentials for parental approval required and sign in. Congratulations! You have finished setting up your Safe Zones family.